Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, this is 23-14-76, the state of Michigan versus Kevin Kowalczyk.
Morning, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Kowalczyk, who's present on Zoom. Your Honor, he's requesting a new attorney.
All right, Mr. Kowalczyk, tell me your name.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Kevin Thomas Kowalczyk, 1234 or 1233-1993 or 31.
All right,
My bad.
you have a jury trial set for 2 weeks, for 2 weeks. Mr. Gazicki has been representing you. Why is it you're seeking a new attorney?
Your Honor, because he's not doing what I asked him to do for me. I asked him to ask you or whatever needs to be said or whatever needs to be done. I have really, I have concerns about this. I don't feel this is fair. I had this tether on my leg and I'm going through everything I'm going through. And I also feel like I'm being harassed by Taylor, and I could just go on and on and on that we could go for months and months and talk, but I don't have time to waste on your hand, and you don't have time to sit here and waste, but I got voicemails with my phone number, dates of times that would come through my phone of people calling my phone, threatening me they're going to kill me. I got stacks and stacks of police reports from where she's came by my house, threatening me.
All right, sir, I can't hear all of that though right now. There's not a trial set in front of me. Those sound like things that you could present at trial if they're appropriate. An attorney would know better than I at this point. I don't know any of that, and I'm impartial. I'm not supposed to know all of that until all the parties are present and there's a trial or a plea taking place.
Where's she at?
But there's a charge against you for domestic violence. It's set for a jury trial in 2 weeks. Now, Mr. Gazicki's been representing you so far along. I don't understand what the material breakdown is.
I no longer want him. I need to figure out how I can get a legal aid lawyer to represent for me.
Well, you are entitled through this court. You have a constitutional right to counsel. But Mr. Gazicki is our house counsel. There's another attorney that could be appointed to represent you for trial going forward.
Your Honor.
Well, you don't get to, sir, if you pay for your lawyer, you can go through as many as you want. But if you don't like, I'm not going to just continue appointing different attorneys because you don't like what they have to say. That's... So how are you going to get another attorney? I have another attorney in the building.
I've been trying to contact Free Legal Aid, and they said that they will represent me. I just need, what did she say, babe?
She said that you had to get a hold of the court to let them know that you needed a new lawyer.
Did you hear my girlfriend by any chance?
No, and I know I want to hear what you are telling me.
They said that you had to get a hold of the courts, and the courts had to notify them that you wanted a new legal aid lawyer.
All right, I don't know what you said. So listen, if you want a 1 week adjournment, we can come back next Wednesday and you can come in with your new attorney from legal aid.
Plus, ma'am, my other concern is I wanted to know how I want to bond this over the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice of Frank.
This is a misdemeanor. That doesn't happen. Your attorney probably advised you of that. This is not a felony. It's
he never told me that. He never told me that.
All right. Well, you can't bind over a misdemeanor. This is the court of jurisdiction.
I have before.
Well, you're not. This is a misdemeanor, 93-day misdemeanor. This is the court of jurisdiction. Third Circuit cases are 2 years.
I was told it was 14 months in prison.
Sir, this is single count.
And where is Miss Sarah McCall? How come she's not on the video? How come she's not in court? Ain't she supposed to be in court?
Who are you talking? No, Mr. Kowalczyk, you need to chill. Calm down.
You know,
She's present.
I'm calm.
No,
I'm calm,
I
ma'am.
said
If you want,
I'm
you could take the
talking.
tether
I'm
off my
talking.
leg and you could
You
send
want
me
to hold you
14
in
months in
contempt of
prison.
court?
I have no further to speak. You're
$200. Mr. Kowalczyk, you are held in direct contempt of court. You owe this court $200 fine. You want to keep going? You're not going to talk over me in this courtroom.
But don't I have the right to speak?
Sir, no, you have the right to remain silent.
Okay,
And
okay,
if I were
okay,
you, I would exercise it.
okay. I'm sorry, ma'am. I apologize.
Is she- All right.
I'll do life in
So
prison.
you
I don't
want
care.
do you want a 1 week adjournment so that you can try and retain an attorney?
I mean, is there a way I don't know how to do nothing, ma'am. I don't know how to go about getting a lawyer set up.
Well, sir, you listen
And
to
I
me.
feel it's a conference of interest.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court will appoint one. The court has appointed Mr. Gazicki to represent you.
Correct.
You're indicating now that you want to go to legal aid and you want to get the advice of a legal aid attorney to see if they'll represent you on this matter. And you have a right to do so. So I will give you a 1 week adjournment so that you can retain counsel. This is set for a jury trial in a week. In a week and a few days.
Ma'am, I don't even care. I'm just gonna go with it with the flow. We'll just do it how it goes and let this dude think he's gonna do the job for me
No,
like
all right. I'll see you back in
Can I
1 week.
represent myself?
We'll readjust this in 1 week. You're to be back here next next Wednesday our city docket? You're to be back here next Wednesday at 9 a.m. and you can give me an update on your legal aid attorney at that time. And the matter's adjourned until that date.
Do it. I get smoked.